guys remember me, Days with Dylan YouTube channel. So today I'm at Kids Camp Live, and we have a cool project to show you, which you can do at home during this pandemic. It's really easy, and you can do it as many times as you want. So first, we need a black piece of paper, some sunscreen, a light crayon, like a white or yellow crayon, and the sunscreen has to be like smearable, not the spray kind. And lastly, you're gonna need a bat or a long paintbrush. So first, you're gonna take your black piece of paper and fold it like this, like a booklet. All right, and then make sure you crease it really good so it's like that. Then you're gonna open it, and on one of the back sides, you're gonna write skin. If you don't know how that's spelled, it's S-K-I-N, and you can write it at the top, S-K-I-N, like that. Then you're gonna write sunscreen on the other side. S-N-C-I-N. S-C-R-E-E-N. So it's sunscreen. Then it's time for the sunscreen. So after you write sunscreen, it's time to take out sunscreen, but before you put on the sunscreen, it's easier to take like your crayon and draw a square on your sunscreen. So just draw like a square, depends on how big you want it, like that. And then with the sunscreen, you can do some dots in the middle. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then you're gonna take your fat or thin paintbrush and smear it out inside the box. Okay, if it gets a little out. All right. Then, see that? Make sure you cover in a lot of bits of it, because I got one, and then, right? So you see that? Then you're gonna go place it outside. You're gonna place it outside in a sunny area. If it's a little windy, cover it with some rocks like the corners, but don't cover the sunscreen part because you need that. And an experiment you can do, just to add a little more, make a couple of these and put one in a really sunny spot, put one in a not so sunny spot to see how the difference go. Like put one kind of in the shade or half in the shade and half in the sun, or put one just fully in the sun or one fully in the shade, and you can see how that turns out, because I'm going to definitely do that because I want to see how that goes. So let's take it outside, and you have to wait like a day for it to see the reaction. So you can put on here, and tomorrow morning we're gonna see how it is. So I'll see you tomorrow morning.